was. She knows. Take a little break and then she can start. Good. I like that jacket too.
Thank you. This is an oldie but goodie.
Oldies.
It's like nice and warm and lightweight. It doesn't make you feel like you're like, yeah, some of them just are too binding, like you said with that one. I have a big problem with that in my shoulders. She looks good.
How's the turkey?
Looks good. I just started to boil the potatoes. I can't forget I got my pot on.
No. How's Doc?
He's good. He's really good. He's so cute. He had so much fun the other day at